dear students. I welcome you all in your today's computer class. I hope that you remember the computer lessons, which you have learned in your 5th class. One of those lessons was Introduction of Microsoft Excel. You learned in 5th class that. What is Microsoft Excel? What does it do? What is a worksheet? What is a cell? What are rows and what are the columns? My dear students, you also learned that how to insert data in cells, how to copy data and how to move data in a worksheet. You have learned all these things in your 5th class, isn't it? My dear students, today we will start Unit 2 of our computer book, which is about some advanced topics of Microsoft Excel. But before starting, let me ask you some questions. Students, when teachers ask you to maintain your notebooks very well, what does it mean? I hope you know it means that your handwriting should be proper. Work should be done neat and clean. You should use some proper ink to make your notebook attractive. Your handwriting should neither be very big, nor it should be very small. All these things make your notebook appearance attractive and readable. Students, all these things should be kept in mind while you are working in Microsoft Excel 2, so that the data does not become messy, unattractive, or unreadable. So we will study about the formatting of data in Excel sheets or the worksheet. First of all, we see that what is meant by formatting. Dear students, the presentation of data and its appearance on a printed page is called formatting. Formatting changes the appearance of the data only. It does not change the data value. Students, look at this picture. It is the picture of Home tab of Microsoft Excel 2013. It has 3 groups, which are clipboard, font, and alignment. My dear students, you learned about the clipboard group in your 5th class. This group contains the commands about cut, copy and paste data in worksheet. Today we will explore the font group of this Home tab. Students, as you know that every student has different writing style. That particular writing style of letters and numbers is called font. My dear students, in Microsoft Excel there are many writing styles available, which are called font styles. For example, Calibri and Times New Roman, etc. Students, let's see how we can apply different font styles on the data. Consider these pictures. Picture 1 shows a sample of a worksheet and Picture 2 shows the drop-down menu list of font styles available in Microsoft Excel. If you want to change the font style of cell range A2 to C2, you will select the cells A2 to C2. Then, you will click on the drop-down menu, which is next to the font option. You will see the list of fonts available. When you hover over the list entries, you can see a preview of changes on your selected data range. When you will click on any font style name, that font style will be applied on the selected data. That's how you can change the font style of any data in Microsoft Excel 2013. Student, if we want to make our writing big or small, or you may say that if we want to increase the font size, how we will do this? Let us see, students. Students, look at this picture again. You can see an arrowhead which is next to font style drop-down menu. Here you can see a list of font sizes available. Same as before, when you hover over the font size list, you can see the change in font size of the selected data in the worksheet. When you click on any number in the font size list, that size of font is applied on the selected data. That's how you can change the font size in Excel worksheet. Now students, let's see how we can change the color of the fonts. For this, my dear students, look at this picture. My dears, after selecting data in Excel sheet, click the arrow next to the font size as shown in the picture. A list of colors appear. When you hover over different colors, you can see the font color changes of the selected data cells. When you click on any specific color, that color will be applied on the fonts of selected data. But if Your desired color is not available in the given list of colors. Click on More Colors option as shown in the figure. Colors dialog box will appear like this. You can select your desired color from the option on the Standard tab, or you can mix colors to get your desired color on the Custom tab. Well, students, that's how we can change the font style, font size and font color of the data in Microsoft Excel 2013. I hope you have learned these things. You can practice these lessons on your computer or a laptop, or you may watch some other videos on YouTube on these topics. Now you have to solve the given worksheet in your notebook. That's all for today. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.